In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your new user ID in PNC Online Bank. Now, we all know that keeping track of our online banking credentials is crucial for managing our finances smoothly. Whether you've misplaced your user ID or you're just setting up your account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can regain access in no time. First, you're going to want to navigate to the official PNC website. Open your web browser and head to www.pnc.com. It's important to make sure you're on the official site to protect your personal information. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner and click on the Sign On button. This will direct you to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your user ID, don't worry. Beneath the login fields, you'll see an option labeled Forgot ID or Password. Click on that and you'll be taken to a recovery page. Now you'll be asked whether or not you know your current user ID. Since we're assuming you've forgotten it, go ahead and select No. The next step involves verifying your identity. PNC offers several options for this. You can choose to provide your social security number, individual taxpayer identification number, employer identification number, or if you don't have any of these, you can select I don't have any of these. Choose the option most applicable to you and enter the required information in the designated fields. After filling out your personal information, PNC will prompt you to go through a verification process. This might involve receiving a text message, a phone call, or an email. Follow the instructions for whichever method you choose to verify your identity. It's designed to securely confirm your information and protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've successfully completed the verification process, PNC will securely display or send your new user ID to you. It's helpful to note that sometimes such information can go to your spam or promotions folder in your email, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. And there you have it. You've now regained access to your PNC Online Bank account with your new user ID. Remember to store your credentials in a safe place and consider using a password manager to help you keep track of all your important information. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need a little assistance navigating their online banking. Thank you for joining me and see you next time.